free home screen of the AI application, and you can tap on this option where you can see all the available AI tools which you can use. You have the image generator, you have the object finder, meaning taking a picture of anything and it will pretty much help you find that online. And as well, you have the image generator here. If I do select this option here, just enter your prompt, pretty much good to go. And at the top, you can go ahead and select the model that you want to use. So if you don't have anything in mind, you can always tap on this option here. We'll just pretty much give you something in mind, but you need the Pro subscription. And as well, you can send a voice note if you don't want to type. So in the advanced option here, this is pretty much where you go to adjust a bit. You can see here things that you do want in the prompt and a few steps as well. So nothing much for that. If you don't know anything about that section, you can just leave it as it is. And as well, you have some other prompts down here which you can use, just default prompts which they give you, and you can do tap on this one option here. You can see this is prompt that will be used. So once I've pretty much selected the prompt that we be using, and I can as well tap on this option at the top here, which pretty much allows me to select which AI model I want to use. So these other AI models will require me a Pro subscription. The only one that's available for free use is this one here. So once you have pretty much set up everything, you just tap on create here, and you're pretty much good to go, and it will start creating in no time. So that's pretty much how you use the AI generator for this application here. As you can see here, this is pretty much the results. And here you have some other options you can share with your family. You can go ahead and save it to your gallery and so forth. So nothing much for that there. So the video generation section here, as you can see, you just select this option here. You'll be able to describe what type of video you want to generate. So once you tap on this down here, I swipe up the screen a bit, you'll be able to see other options which you can enable. You have the duration of how long you want the video to be. It seems as if it only be able to generate 5-second videos. So do keep that in mind. And also the resolution as well. You can adjust it to 720p, as you can see here, but will require you a subscription. And as you can see your line icon, that's going to be fast processing. And as well, you have the aspect ratio. You can tap on the option over here, but it seems as if that's the only option you'll be able to use for this application here. So these other things are enabled by default. So if you do want to disable any one of these, all you have to do is just tap on this option here and you'll be able to disable it. But you will need a subscription. So as well, down here will tell you what type of AI model you're using. And if you want to change the AI model that you're using, all you have to do is pretty much tap on the option at the top here, and you can pretty much see all the AI model that you're using. So this one is the current one that I'm using, and I'm going to need a subscription because I don't have much stars or lightning bulb coins to pretty much generate any video. So most of these you're going to need a subscription. As you can see the top one here, top models which you can use, pretty much need a subscription to use those. And these one over here gonna need subscription. This however, you don't need any subscription because it doesn't say Pro. So I don't have much starboard icons, so I can't generate a video to show you. But once the video is generated, it will be shown in this section here, same as the photo generator. So you have a next section here, which is the text to speech. Pretty much explains itself. As you can see here, just enter what you want the AI to say and so forth. Nothing much for that. And you can go at the top here, select whichever voice you want to use. So that's really pretty much it for this application here. And as well, I do forgot to mention the chatbot section where you can pretty much ask the AI anything similar to ChatGPT. As you can see here, you can ask AI anything, and because you're on a limited plan or a free plan, you do have limitation as it relates to you speaking with the AI here. And as well, if you do want to change the AI model, you can always tap on the option at the top here and be able to select different AI models. So there's quite a lot of AIs which you can talk with, not just the ChatGPT, Gemini 3 Pro, Gemini Flash, and you have some other different models which you can use. Some of them, they may require pro subscription, so do keep that in mind. So that's pretty much it for that there. And this option here, be able to upload files. This option here, be able to adjust the reply of the AI bot. Nothing much for that there. And here, be able to send a voice note as it relates to the AI bot. So that's really pretty much it for this. So the subscription, all you have to do is just tap on the home option there at the top, then tap on upgrade here, be able to see their subscription prices, pretty much everything about the application. So as you can see here, we have a 1-month subscription, a weekly subscription, and also a yearly subscription, and also a 3-month subscription as well. So based on what you want, you can see here pretty much everything that you'll be getting. And yeah, so that's really pretty much it for this AI application here. If I miss anything at all, let me know in the comment section. Let's see if I can help you out.